Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Ağız Değiştirmek. So let's start. Ağız Değiştirmek. Ağız Değiştirmek. Ağız Değiştirmek. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Ağız Değiştirmek is to change mouth, while figuratively it means to change one's tune or to reverse one's course. Basically, it means to change an opinion and start speaking the reverse or differently from previous case. Let's see some examples now. Mahkemede neden ağız değiştirdin? Why did you change your tune in the court? Mahkemede neden ağız değiştirdin? Beni görünce ağız değiştirdiler. They changed their tune when they saw me. Beni görünce ağız değiştirdiler. Adam hep ağız değiştirir. The man always changes his tune. Adam hep ağız değiştirir. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.